Yeah, Gandhi.
Forza.
Forza. Yeah.
Kerala,
Yeah.
New Delhi,
Yeah, good.
Sonia Gandhi.
Yeah. Good morning guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Travel. Yes, it's morning right now, 9:30. I'm just going to hit the concentration camp. I didn't have any intention to stay in Nice. I wanted to go for scope. Unfortunately, I'm going for Kosovo. Unfortunately, I don't know. I'm going to Kosovo because from Kosovo I'll go to Scope. Right now I'm here. You can see the views. There's a bakery. There is a fruits market, and there is also a fruit market. And there is a bakery as well as. Yeah. Good morning.
I'm making a pizza.
Wow, that's nice. What pizza is this?
What?
What pizza is this?
Capricciosa.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just stumbled across a square. You can see that very beautiful square over here. There is water fountains. There is a big statue. I'll take you shortly over there. And this is a square. You can see that here you can see the Sava river. This is the Sava river which joins Danube in Belgrade, guys. So it's beautiful, right? There is a fort, and the people are walking around. There's a beautiful bridge, and you can see that there's a beautiful cafe over there. Guys, you can see the Nazi concentration camp, and this is the entrance, I think. So in front they made lawn and everything. Guides, it's around 150 dinars to enter into the concentration camp, and 300 dinars if you want to like go for archaeological site, skull tower, and what to call the concentration camp. So I didn't have my money cash and 150 dinar ticket for this. So concentration camp, I'm going inside and I'll see what it's there inside. As you enter, you can see hundreds of photos of people who died in this horrible concentration camp, and they were treated so badly that they were given only a small piece of bread in whole day, and they were made to work almost 18 to 20 hours in a day. Unimaginable, right? Station in Nice, and you can see there's a lot of city bus, and but from here you can board pretty much to everywhere, the buses. Guys, see, that's so small train. I've never seen such a small train in my life. Wow, that's great. It's a small station. You can see that only 3 benches are here, and yeah, that's it. In one bench I'm just sitting. This is Nice, guys, Nice. I'm leaving from here. It's around 7:30. It's earliest morning. I have woke up, so I'm leaving today Nice. Not only Nice, I'm saying goodbye to Serbia as well as I'm going to new country today. So that's it, guys. So watch the full video because I'm going to say which country I'm going to, how I'm going, everything I'm going to explain in this video, and what are the things you need to see in the border, like what's visa, what's thing, those things and all. I'll be explaining everything in this video, guys. So be excited, share, like, whatever you want to do. Share this video with your family and friends, guys. That will be the greatest help for me, what you can do. So okay, bye bye. See you. Bye. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah. So guys, I am inside the bus stop, bus station, and this is the platform you need to pay. This is the platform, it's almost empty, nobody is there, and this is the bus you can see here. Small bus like tempo traveler, and this is my luggage sitting over here. I'm just sitting over here, and it's 8 o'clock in the morning. 8:30 bus will leave. So driver was inside the bus, I don't know where he went. He said to wait. We'll head towards Pristina, guys. So guys, finally I'm inside the bus. I'm to Pristina, heading towards Pristina right now, my 19th country. Hopefully I can cross the border without any hassle. Friend.
Serb, India, brate.
Yes. Yeah.
Gandhi, familia Gandhi. Forza.
Forza. Yeah.
Kerala, New Delhi,
Yes, good.
Sonia Gandhi,
Yeah.
Rajiv Gandhi.
Rajiv Gandhi, yeah. Good. Yes, again I sent back from the border, from Kosovo border. I thought I'll be in my 19th country today, but unfortunately they have sent me back. They said that US visa is not valid for Kosovo, and I need to have Schengen visa or Kosovo visa. So again I am back in the road. You can see that that is the border. Nobody is coming, and just waiting for 10 minutes, and that is Serbia, and that side it's all Kosovo, guys. So I'm lucky, unlucky, I could not cross the border. So guys, nobody is stopping. I'm just waiting for the vehicle. So let's see what happens. Vehicle is coming. Let me see. If they stop, it's good, guys. If no, what to do? Everyone stops over there. You can see this is the border. This is the checkpost border. Yeah, nobody stops. कोई मुझे जंगली कहे, अफसोस है मैं क्या करूं. I just checked into a bus, and I'm going to Belgrade right now. Belgrade.